I was out with a friend today,
Mm-hmm.
and I told her that we are going to shoot an episode for the
Hmm.
podcast and stuff. She's like, "You look very deprived. How will you shoot?"
Did you not tell her that's just your face?
24 घंटे ड्यूटी करके आया हूँ मैं, रात भर सोया नहीं हूँ, but okay, that's my case.
Pressures of the job.
Yes. Hello, we are at the beautiful Beanley, which is right now my favorite cafe, and I'm Vinayak.
I'm Kamini.
We are Podneeti.
Welcome to our podcast.
Yes.
हम फिर से आ गए. That's our Tagya Kalam now apparently. Is it though? Are we fixing on?
No, we are trying to find out. जैसे अमिताभ बच्चन बोलता है ना, देव्य और सज्जनों,
या कैरी मनाटी बोलता है चलिए शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी
बकचोदी के.
वन वी नीड टू फिगर आउट. पर आई थिंक हम हर एपिसोड में कुछ अलग करेंगे और जिसमें 20 से ज्यादा व्यू है वो
On
हमारा तगया
YouTube.
कलाम
On YouTube.
इंस्टाग्राम तो फट रहा है हमारा.
After we've uploaded a video and हमारे 15,000 views आए हैं.
पेड.
हमारे 15,000 व्यूज आए हैं. सो वी हैव थॉट कि अभी वैलेंटाइंस वीक चल रहा है तो हमें एक और वीडियो इस सेम चीज पे करनी
निकाल देना चाहिए. व्यूज आ जाते हैं. ट्रेंड तो कर जा रहा है.
ट्रेंड तो कर जा रहा
ओके वैलिड. सो दिस वीक वी टॉकिंग अबाउट वैलेंटाइंस अगेन.
है.
देखते हैं कहाँ जाती है बात, क्योंकि मनाया तो है नहीं मैंने. विनायक अपेरेंटली ने काफी कुछ किया तो उससे निकालेंगे हम माल. पर वेट, इट्स ट्यूसडे. टुडे इज 11th. क्या होता है 11th को?
होगा कुछ चॉकलेट टेडी वगैरह, आई डोंट नो.
हाँ, वन ऑफ दोस बेसिकली. एंड यू कैन फिगर आउट कि हम कितने इन्वेस्टेड है वैलेंटाइंस में इसकी वजह से. पर I still don't remember. Last episode also you told me and I still can't remember it.
In your dating era, whenever you were, if you were, do you have some great stories that you could share?
I've done so. Okay, dating, yes.
Era.
Stories तो era तो है. But I have stories of Valentine's. Like okay. Do you know these new things that happen with Valentine's where there's Galentine and Broentine?
This is not new, but
हाँ, like relatively मतलब अब हम कर रहे हैं. हाँ, स्कूल में थोड़ी Galentine कर रही थी मैं. पर yeah, so I enjoy those because it's just single girls screaming Taylor Swift songs and it's very fun. Or watching Jab We Met and screaming, it's quite lovely. So yeah, those I enjoy. I don't do men have anything.
But she was telling me थोड़ी देर पहले there's bro and time.
Yeah.
But I don't think so. लड़के नहीं करते हैं ये.
लड़कों का रोज ब्रो एंड टाइम है. But
Exactly.
valid.
Yes.
Dating stories that are embarrassing. Yes.
Funny.
Ooh, I think I've mentioned this in a previous episode, but I'm going to call back
and elaborate.
We were talking about ghosting in one of the episodes, and if you've not seen that episode of us talking about Gen Z dating terms, please
Go
check
see
it out. But with ghosting, I mentioned the story. I dated a person that died. And I thought he ghosted me, but he died. Because
You're not laughing, yaar.
Vinayak, you can't laugh.
See, but I can laugh because I know the
real story.
Yeah, okay,
about it. So I'll tell you about it. Okay. So this was during COVID. We were speaking and I spoke to him for 1.5 years just on tech. And then we met.
This time limit I did not.
Yeah. So because lockdown, etc. And so we met after 1.5 years and it was great. He was nice to talk to, all of that. There were some flags here or there, but I was like, hey, Andy. So ये सब चल रहा था. And then I think I met him for the 7th or 8th time. And
that's
great
a long run for you.
Yeah, very long run for me. If I'm meeting someone over 7-8 and 7-8 in the span of like 2 महीना.
इना तो हम podcast नहीं बनाया है.
Yeah, exactly. I was practically meeting him every week. It was nice. It was very fun to hang with him. And to the point, मैं solo trip पे जा रही थी, McLeodganj, and it would pass through this Moorthal, Panipat, Sonepat region. He lived in Sonepat. He came to Amrit Sukhdev Dhaba. My bus had stopped for like half an hour. He came to Dhaba. I know, and all of this, and this very cute, very nice. He got me stuff from home and things like that. Very nice.
जाके भी stuff from home.
Yeah. कि ठीक है. It was nice. It was.
में आलू पराठा खाना.
Yeah, मेरे घर का मैंने बनाया. No, not that. But it was cute. It was nice. ठीक है. This is when I'm leaving. I've gone on the solo trip. I'm still active. I go off radar sometimes, but I'm still active. And he's texting. Active for him, yes. But in general also because parents and girl child. But yeah, all of that. I'm coming back from Dharamshala. I'm in the bus and we talking. And मेरा रात का उसका कुछ मैसेज था. I was in the bus at like 3 in the night or something, and we talking on the text. I text him something, some GIF. He responds, it's all good, and he goes to sleep or whatever. Next day, I text him something and I sleep. Next morning, I wake up and I see that last message I've sent. It's just a single tick, and I'm like, that has never happened in the span of like 2 years now, because one
दोबारा
and a half
सुखदेव
and
पे आना था उसको.
I have no idea what happened. Okay, single tick and single tick for like a week, for 10 days. And I was like, what has happened? This person has completely disappeared. I was like, ghosting ka ye to tarika hi kuch aur hai. And then I called him and it would ring, but nobody would answer. And then I also sort of forgot about it because I give up very quickly, but with men at least. And then I think one day I was just in under the influence of happiness where I called again and some
Other chick
no,
picks
no,
up.
no,
Some
no.
other
A
dude.
man picked up. Another older man picked up. Older, proper older, मतलब बुढ़े uncle type
हाँ
का.
जी बेटा.
हाँ, picked up and I went, hello, I'm not. Let's
X.
take. let's take his name was like
Uncle
Aman or
X है.
something. I go, hello Aman, and he's like, बेटा वो तो नहीं रहा. And I lose my shit. I'm like, what?
All the happiness goes in.
भाई, I was like, my god, this was my soulmate that died. He wasn't, thankfully, because बाद में फिर उसके flags तो दिख ही गए. But all of this happened to me, and I was like, what has happened? And then I think about 10 days, 15 days passed or something, and I work in HR, so I'm looking at Naukri, Resdex, matlab Naukri.com a lot, and I see his profile, I see his CV, and it's updated like a day ago. 1 day ago, his CV was updated, and I was like, what? So then I called him from my work phone, and I said, hello, Aman, and it's his voice. He's speaking, and I'm pitching an opportunity to him, and he's like, yeah, I'm interested.
Fuck you.
And I was like, I don't know whether I was ghosted or not. So that's my embarrassing story from dating, where technically did get ghosted, but from a dead person apparently.
Who was apparently not dead.
But I'm just amazed at the amount of effort. कि भाई बुड्ढे अंकल से फोन करो आके बोला कि
अंकल नहीं यार, कुछ लड़कों की आवाज ऐसी होती है ना.
नहीं भाई, आई रिकॉग्नाइज. तो फिर मैं फोन पे कैसे उसका सीवी में
नहीं
पहचान
कुछ
गया
लड़कों
बस.
की. No, some other dude of his.
हाँ,
friend.
whatever, जो भी, पर एफर्ट तो डलवाया, तो मैं थी acknowledging the effort.
I would have done this club, but
valid. What's yours?
I have this one. When I was in college and I was meeting people, this one fine day, we had gone to some other town and I was talking to this one girl उस जगह की. So what happens? रात को ऐसी बात करते करते I was like, I have to go to this mall tomorrow. Would you wanna come? She's like, हाँ, okay, because even I have to go to that mall tomorrow. I'm going out with my friends. I'm like, okay, we'll meet. So कुछ हुआ and then the next day I think we were late or something happened. हम पहुंचे तो हमारे पास ऐसा 20-25 मिनट का टाइम स्पैन ही बचा था. She's like, कहाँ 20-25 मिनट ही है, क्या ही करेंगे? Come to the food court, we'll just sit, talk and then leave. So I went to the food court. I saw her, we met, hi hello हुआ, ऐसे आमने सामने बैठे थे टेबल पे, बात चलते चलते उसने पूछा कि what are you doing? I was with my friend. Like, what are you doing? She's like, even I was with my friends doing this. Like, do you want to meet my friends? She told me. I'm like, हाँ ठीक है. तो 5 मिनट के बाद ऐसे कुछ लड़कियां पीछे से आ रही थी. Like, आ गए मेरे फ्रेंड्स. ठीक है. जैसे मैं से पीछे मुड़ रहा था तो उतने में उसने कहा कि meet my best friend this. मैं पीछे मुड़ा and then she was the other girl that I was talking to. And we were supposed to meet एक हफ्ता पहले.
Caught in real time, man. Oh my god.
ठीक है, वैसा कुछ embarrassing नहीं हुआ वहाँ पर.
Did she वो publicly ऐसा react की?
She did not react publicly. She did not do anything. She's like, hi.
Balls,
like,
bhai.
hi.
Salute, madam. मैं तो.
But now I go back to the hotel and I got a text from her. You could have met me too.
Met me. दीदी, I take salute back. ये क्या तरीका है यार, but ठीक है.
So this happened. बुरा लगा मुझे बहुत.
तुझे क्यों लग रहा है बुरा?
आदमी
कि
तो
पकड़ा गया?
नहीं, आदमी तो ठीक हूँ ना मैं अंदर.
आदमी ठीक हूँ, हाँ, तभी ये कारनामे हो रहे हैं.
It's a one-time thing that happened.
One time, sure. One time I was caught 2 timing.
That's what he said.
Okay. And
Sorry, mama.
यही सीखा.
Sorry, daddy.
Sorry, मैं no comments. यही काम कर रहा है ये आदमी. But कैसे मिलेगी बहू ऐसे?
I don't know. It's on them.
Do you think Valentine changes after like
You age?
No, age of course, but after like you're in a committed relationship, there's like a little bit pressure,
it
even
does.
if you're not
there is no pressure, but
like there's a little bit of expectation, I feel.
Expectation तो 100% रहते हैं.
Which is why I love situationships and talking stages. You know, there's no like झंझट झमेला or expectations of any of this.
प्यार मोहब्बत होती है तो आप तो करते हैं, अच्छा मजा आता है.
प्यार मोहब्बत में एक्सपेक्टेशंस क्यों है?
एक्सपेक्टेशंस तो रहते हैं, जितना भी ये ज्ञान दे दो, गुणगान गा लो कि नो एक्सपेक्टेशंस 50
But this is
50.
actually a theory. Do you know this? I'll put again. There's people in any relationship are two kinds: A type, H type. Okay? A types are if the other person in the relationship leaves, they tend to fall, which is why they're the ones that are often having expectations, setting expectations. And there is H, where you both exist co-dynamically in the relationship.
Parallel, going parallel.
Yeah, you're there together. You joined by that relationship, but that's not your entire being. So when if the other person leaves also, you're still
standing.
there. You're still there. You're still standing, and it doesn't affect you much. So H. So I think Vinayak is a little bit of an A.
I've become an. I'm trying to do this now.
Yeah, हो जाएगा I think.
हो जाता है.
नहीं होना चाहिए कि जरूरी है, but है.
But great.
Okay, so embarrassing story done.
I think on this note
We end.
we end.
इसी पे.
कॉफी खत्म हो जाएगी, फिर बहुत देर से मैं बचा के रखा हूँ यार.
That's fair. I think coffee time होना चाहिए because that's the only.
होम ही बचा है मेरे में तो. But shout out to Beanly, my favorite cafe. Every time in the afternoon I'm free, I come here, I sit. Great place, great people.
They're not paying us, huh?
They're not paying us. One day we were
अब तक.
अब तक. One day we were shooting something ऐसे corner में, तो काउंटर पे भैया was like, सर मैं एक बात बोलूं? Like बताओ. सर ये वाला ना बहुत अच्छे से नहीं आया, आप ना थोड़ा हंस के बोलो.
And good feedback.
Good, very good feedback.
Very good feedback.
We checked and like you're right.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. All right. And that's about it. See you next
See you.
time.
Bye.
I think this is also very superficial though. Our episodes are getting very superficial.